Have you ever heard the eerie sounds of space? It might surprise you that there's a symphony happening out there beyond the stars. Unlike anywhere on Earth, space isn't silent. Scientists have recorded vibrations and magical frequencies from celestial bodies. One of the most mysterious sounds comes from Saturn. The planet's rings produce haunting tones that resemble ghostly whispers. Using specialized instruments, NASA captured these sounds, translating electromagnetic waves into the audio we can hear. Did you know that those sounds can change depending on the position of the spacecraft? Each wave carries a unique melody of space. And it's not just Saturn, Jupiter sings too. Its immense magnetic field creates radio emissions that turn into sounds, ranging from eerie howls to hypnotic melodies. So the next time you gaze at the night sky, remember, the universe is alive with music waiting to be discovered. Stay curious, space explorers.